this video we'll show you how to pair with and set the schedule on the Tuc heater. Press the power button on the rear of the unit. Then press and hold the tick button until the 90-second countdown appears. At this point, go into the ECOSO app, select Add Device, and select the icon for the heater. Enter your Wi-Fi information, ensuring that you're on a 2.4 GHz connection, and click Next. The heater will now take several seconds to pair. Once paired, click Done. Set a schedule, click Program Data. This will bring up the schedule screen, which is divided into days of the week and hours of the day. By default, Eco will be selected for all days and times. As you can see from the information on screen, we're going to set the heater to come into comfort mode between 8 and 10 AM. Then again between 6 and 7 PM, and 7 and 8 PM. If required, you can then repeat this step for whichever times and day of the week you desire. Once you've completed setting the schedule, press Save. You will then need to make sure that the heater is in program mode in order for the schedule to run.